Good evening, guys. Today I am not riding in the morning, so I had just logged out from my office since I'm working from home and I'm going for a short off-road ride. This is the same place where I have been in the monsoon, but we couldn't go to the top of the mountain. If you haven't watched that video, I will put the link on the top of this. So this time we have 5 motorcycles and we are hoping to reach on the top of the mountain. Well, if we reach on the top, this video is going to be fun to watch, so I am not going to speak much. I hope we reach before the sunset because the sunset from the top of the mountain is crazy. So let's start the ride and reach at the top before the sunset.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy the trail and the video. If you are into off-road or trail riding or watching sunset, then this is the place for you. So if you want to know about this location, then just write mountain in the comment section so that I'll reveal the location in my next video. The more I get mountain in my comment section, the earlier I will reveal the location. With that said, I'll be signing off and I shall see you in the next video. Till then, ride safe, ride hard and subscribe to Ride On Info. Bye bye.